I'm about to share with you an incredibly simple and beautiful meditation for self-healing. So, if you have found yourself in a situation where there is conflict or suffering, you're feeling upset about something, your healing journey is just taking too long, I have an answer for you. But first, my name is Salimah, yoga therapist. And if you made it your way here to Kundalini Yoga, it's because you know that Kundalini Yoga offers a very therapeutic approach to yoga practice. And working with your nervous system is a really good way to get the most out of your healing experience. So today's practice is including mantra and mudra and focus and attention, all the amazing things that go into allowing the body to self-regulate. Are you ready? I am. So find yourself in a comfortable position. And here, take a moment to settle your spine, relax into your chair, take a deep inhale, and through the mouth, let it go as a sigh. Two more, inhale. One more, let it go. Great. I already feel better. How about you? Here we are in this moment together. We're going to tune in, press the palms together at the center of your chest. Shoulders are relaxed. Chin is tucked in just a little bit, and we're going to use a mantra to tune in. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. I bow to the teacher within. I call on my highest consciousness. A beautiful way to set the tone for our practice and to expand beyond the circumstances that brought you here into this video. Inhale very deeply. And as you exhale, focus in between the eyebrows and slightly above. Take another deep inhale. Exhale, focus on your third eye. One more time, let's tune in together. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Last one. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Inhale very deeply. Set your intentions for today's practice. Bring yourself here into this moment. And remember that meditation isn't an opportunity to escape your body, but rather to be deeply connected to your body. And we'll do this with a few different dynamics. One is a mantra. The mantra is Ang Sang Wahe Guru. Ang Sang Wahe Guru. Ang Sang Wahe Guru. Excellent. And now here is the mudra. The mudra, placing one hand on opposite shoulders and hugging yourself really tight. I'm going to sing. Ang Sang Wahe Guru. 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 Continue that mantra now. It means the universe is in every cell. Ang Sang Wahe Guru. 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 Feel yourself relaxing now into the posture, into the mantra. Ang Sang Wahe Guru. 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 Inhale very deeply. Hold the breath, hold the posture, and exhale. Keep your hands in place. Inhale very deeply. Squeeze root lock, squeeze anus, sex organs, navel center, squeeze the lock, send the energy upwards, and exhale. One more time, take a deep inhale, squeeze, tense, hold, and exhale. Relax your hands down, and then bring your palms together at the center of your chest. Remembering here that doing a practice once or twice is great. It'll give you incredible benefits of relieving the stress that you sat down with. And I deeply, highly encourage you to consider this practice and any other for at least 40 days. Do it 40 days in a row and notice how much bigger the changes are, where the shifts can take you to the next dimension of your learning. Pressing your palms together, we're going to close the practice now. Take a deep inhale. Sat Nam. Bowing your head in reverence to your practice, to your journey so far, to all of these teachings, thousands and thousands of years old. And that was the sacred language of Gurmukhi. All of the language tradition for the mantras in Kundalini Yoga come from the sacred language of Gurmukhi. It is a connection to the people of the Punjab, which is the northern part of India, and an incredible way to use that technology to help move all of us forward. There are lots of different healing techniques here on this channel. If you're looking for a deeper dive into Kundalini Yoga for your nervous system in particular, I highly recommend Harmony Within. There is content there that you don't have access to here on YouTube. It's very straight lined, straightforward, and focused on the nervous system. And so you get to do that deep dive knowing that all the selection there has been handpicked for you. So whether it's PTSD, anxiety, any kind of trauma in your past, that's the avenue to pursue, just to make your journey of healing a little bit more straightforward, a little easier. My name is Salimah, yoga therapist. Drop a comment below. Let me know how this particular meditation worked for you and whether you're going to be making this part of your 40-day practice. Lots of love until next time.